Hello, bonsai enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Bonsai Barn, your trusted source for everything bonsai. Whether you're an experienced grower or just getting started, we're here to help you master the art of bonsai with easy-to-follow tips and tutorials. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into the essentials of bonsai care, a guide to keeping your miniature trees healthy and thriving. Let's start with watering, one of the most important parts of bonsai care. Because bonsai live in shallow pots, they're more prone to drying out. The key is to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Check the soil daily by touching the surface. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Make sure to water thoroughly, letting the water drain completely to avoid root rot. Using well-draining soil is critical to maintaining this balance. Remember, overwatering can be just as harmful as letting the soil dry out entirely, so find a rhythm that works for your bonsai. Pruning is another crucial aspect of bonsai care. It's not just about looks, it's essential for maintaining the tree's health and shape. Regularly trim new shoots to preserve your bonsai's silhouette and remove any dead or damaged branches to focus energy on healthy growth. Think of pruning as sculpting. You're shaping your tree's future while ensuring it stays balanced and strong. Fertilizing is the final cornerstone of bonsai care. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season, from early spring to late summer, and follow the manufacturer's directions for proper dilution. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can harm the roots. Feeding your bonsai the right nutrients ensures it grows strong and healthy, but don't fertilize during the dormant season unless your species requires it. What's the biggest challenge you've faced while caring for your bonsai? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to learn from each other and grow together as a community. We hope these tips help you on your bonsai journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and hit the notification bell so you're always updated. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.